my HTML tutorial as my folder, and I have the index.html file here. So, and I already talked about this, that we have the style.css, the script.js. Now the .html are the extensions. Is the CSS is an extension and the JS is an extension for the HTML, and some for CSS and some for JavaScript. Then here we have the talked about that when I was in the intro of this app. We have the readme.md, right? So this one serves another purpose too, and it actually is as a guide to help developers in case they have so many write-ups. You can just like copy this, you can copy it, then go to our index with documents, then be able to paste it there. Alright, so if you now check here, we're able to see it highly. Okay, so let's exit. Now I see we'll be talking about, damn it, so we're talking about the HTML boilerplate, the Doctype declaration, and HTML head, title, and body tags, right? So now let's start by talking about what this boilerplate is. Now, the HTML boilerplate, like I said, it was written like this, but in all these apps, like all these code editors app on phones, they don't actually sync with it because it's an app. It's not on desktop like VS Code or PyCharm or Shazam. Those are other this in code editor IDE, like an integrated development environment, whereby it allows developers to write codes there. So, well, explaining this in case it comes to when you're using VS Code on system. Now, this boilerplate is the basic standard structure of an HTML document, and it provides essential elements required for a web page to work correctly in all browsers, and serves as a starting point for any HTML file. Like this one we're using now is a HTML file. So I will just do something quickly like this. Just Doctype. It's supposed to bring up something. And one other thing I didn't mention is I can just remove this. One other thing I didn't mention was that